Welcome back to T-Mez TV. I'm sure everybody is wondering where I have been for Indiana Sprint Week. In this video, we're going to explain what happened to the 23S and why it's not there. Ultimately, I've been racing midgets the last 5 years because it's my best opportunity to go winning races. I'm in the best equipment there could be. And with the non-wing sprint car, I've had a lot of this happen to me recently, breaking my collarbone, taking some time off. And, midgets and sprint cars are dangerous. And wing racing, I'm sure, is dangerous as well. But I've been trying to go wing racing. Gonna catch up on what happened to the 23S in this video, going back to 4th of July. Thought we'd stop and get some ice cream. They're gonna be delayed today, so we found this little snowball ice cream place, Duckies, down here in Troy, Ohio. The weather looks better here. We're back at the track down here at Waynesfield, Ohio. The field of dreams. Maybe not dreams, but oh, field of speed. That's what it says. Should have looked at that first. Front row parking here at the races. Oh yeah, looks like it's a wing show. Got 360 wing cars here. Oh look, is that Matt Westfall right there? Yeah. Alright, they are calling for Group 1, and I am in Group 2, so I got the cameras on the car, and it is go time down here at Waynesfield for the Jack Hewitt Classic.
It'll roll, but it's got a truck. Hey, it might run. Okay. Can we look at it? Yeah. Are you good? Are you T-Mez? Might run it. All good, boss?
Ask Kyle. Where's Kyle?
Yeah, he said run. They feel good to you in the car? Everything's good out here. Run. You okay, brother?
They're talking.
Okay.
Aaron never shuts and talks the whole fucking time. There we go.
That's all right. We got Larry in our ear. We understand.
Yeah.
I went to the trailer, but everybody else said run.
Okay, so I don't know that I just flipped as big as I did, because as soon as it went, I closed my eyes so my eyes don't pop out of my head, because that's what happens if you crash hard and your eyeballs are open, your eyes pop out of your head. So close my eyes, go for a ride, stop, and I know it felt like I went for a big ride, and you know, they were like, oh yeah, push it back off. And so I know that this is a terrible idea. I'm feeling it out here. You can see my steering wheel is upside down. I don't ever run the wheel that way, but something is bent, and I know this, and pull the thing in, because there's no need to go crash again. These are very expensive race cars, and I already feel like an idiot. Well, that ended our night. I'm not surprised. There's no need to work on it when we're just kind of struggling with this thing. I may or may not have gotten fired, but can't blame them. Been tearing this thing up a lot in the last 10 shows with very little success. But thank you so much for watching back home. Alright, so it didn't hurt the car a ton, but it did kink it there. And, yeah, that basically means it pushed the rack back this way, and we're just going to cut our losses tonight. So one of the photographers showed me some pictures, and I'm pretty sure I was I was above the cushion following a guy, and he hit the curb and it rolled this giant chunk of the cushion up, and I climbed the cushion and turned it over. I think it was almost as high as the fence back there, so that's never good, but I'm okay, and